Skillshare is a web-based learning stage that gives classes and studios in different imaginative and specialized abilities, like visual depiction, photography, composing, and the sky is the limit from there. It's a spot for individuals to gain from master educators and interface with different students from around the world. Skillshare offers both free and premium, paid, participations, with premium individuals approaching extra highlights and a more extensive scope of classes. Whether you're hoping to get another side interest, work on your abilities for work, or simply fulfill your interest, Skillshare is an extraordinary asset to investigate. Unquestionably, the following are a couple of additional insights regarding Skillshare. Local area. Skillshare has an energetic and dynamic local area of students and educators who are enthusiastic about their abilities and helping other people get to the next level. You can associate with different understudies and class conversations, join local area projects, and take part in difficulties to feature your work. Classes. Skillshare offers a different scope of classes and studios. Going from novice to cutting-edge levels, they cover a wide assortment of subjects, including workmanship and plan, innovation, business, venture, composing. From there, the sky is the limit. Each class is shown by a specialist educator who gives bit-by-bit direction and urges understudies to rehearse and foster their abilities. Learning design. Skillshare classes are normally video-based, with illustrations separated into short, sensible fragments. A few classes likewise incorporate extra assets, for example, project layouts, exercise manual materials, and local area gatherings. This permits you to learn at your own speed and return to survey key ideas depending on the situation. Availability. Skillshare is open from any place, as long as you have a web association. This makes it simple to master new abilities and proceed with your schooling, regardless of whether you have a bustling timetable or restricted time. Generally, Skillshare is an extraordinary asset for anybody hoping to work on their abilities, investigate new subjects, and interface with other people who are enthusiastic about learning. Whether you're simply beginning or hoping to extend your insight, there's something for everybody on the stage. Moderateness. Skillshare offers both free and premium participations, with the superior enrollment giving you admittance to a more extensive scope of classes and extra highlights. The expense of a top-notch enrollment is generally low contrasted with other web-based learning stages, making it a reasonable choice for individuals who need to work on their abilities and master new things. Project-based learning. Numerous Skillshare classes are planned around project-based realizing, and that implies you'll be dealing with a certifiable task while mastering new abilities. This involved way to deal with learning assists you with applying your insight and see the after effects of your endeavors, which can be profoundly rousing and fulfilling. Certificate. Some Skillshare classes offer certificate upon fulfillment, which can be an incredible way to exhibit your abilities and show your insight to possible businesses or clients. The certificate can likewise act as a significant expansion to your resume or portfolio. Joint effort. Skillshare permits understudies to cooperate on projects and gives a stage to coordinated effort and input. This can be particularly valuable for innovative fields, where working with others can assist you with growing novel thoughts and work on your abilities. Master educators. All Skillshare classes are shown by master teachers who are energetic about their topic and have an abundance of information to share. You can gain from teachers who have long periods of involvement with their field and are anxious to assist you with succeeding. All in all, Skillshare is a far-reaching web-based learning stage that gives an abundance of assets and valuable open doors for students. Everything being equal, with its reasonableness, openness, and assortment of classes, it's an incredible choice for anybody hoping to work on their abilities and seek after their interests.